Question number 1. How is fossil fuel produced? Name some fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are decomposing plants and animals. These fuels are found in the earth's crust and contain carbon and hydrogen which can be burned for energy. Coal, oil and natural gas are examples of fossil fuel. Question number 2. The climate of many regions of the world is changing. Relate this change in environment with the phenomena of greenhouse effect and global warming. The greenhouse gases absorb some of the infrared radiation instead of it passing straight out in the space. The atmosphere then emits radiation in all directions, sending some of it back to the surface, causing the plant to ever since the Industrial Revolution. We have been adding more and more greenhouse gases into the air, trapping even more heat instead of keeping the earth of a warm, stable temperature. The greenhouse effect is heating the planet off much faster. Global warming refers to the rising surface temperature of the Earth. The decade from 2011 to 2020 was the warmest decade ever recorded since the Industrial Revolution in 1800 century. The global temperature has increased at a much faster rate. Snow leopard and markhor are becoming endangered right down reason of it. One of the major causes of species becoming injured is habitat loss. Humans cut down the trees in the forest for harvesting. They clear forests for drain wetlands to use the lands for agriculture, mining and settlement. Pollution, global warming and overhunting are also the causes of species becoming endangered. Write the names of part of brain which control the following activities: sleeping, pons, hindbrain, brushing teeth, left frontal lobe, balance of body, cerebellum, hindbrain, heartbeat, मैं बोला oblongata, hindbrain. Describe the importance of meiosis. Meiosis is important because it ensures that all organisms produced via sexual reproduction contain the correct number of chromosomes. Meiosis also produces genetic variation by the way of the process of recombination. While it is necessary for a species to maintain the number of chromosomes constant, the changed number of chromosomes lead to a higher rate of DNA damage. Before every cell division, hereditary information, that is the chromosomes and group, are duplicated and distributed to the daughter cells. So that each cell again carries its species-specific human number of chromosomes, which is 46 in humans. What are nucleotides? Draw 4 types of nucleotide forming each DNA molecule. Each DNA molecule is made of thousands of small units called nucleotides. There are 4 types of nucleotide in DNA. There are adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine nucleotide. Why are scientists use bacterial cell in genetic engineering? The scientists use bacterial cell in genetic engineering because it is very simple and easy to grow. It does not have organized nucleus. The chromosome consisting of DNA floats in the cytoplasm. Additional circular pieces of DNA called plasmids are also present in the cytoplasm. Plasmid can be easily isolated from a bacterial cell and a gene can be attached with it. Plasmid can carry the attached foreign gene into the bacterium. They have fast rated in reproduction. Question number 9. Write with the example the effort of biotechnologists in improving the nutritional value of crops. Biotechnology has played a revolutionary role in improving our agriculture and production of high yields of crops. Herbicides and pesticides are used to eliminate the crop enemies. Scientists insert weed resistance and pest resistance gene into plant, increasing tolerance in plants against drought, insects, and certain disease. Drought and excessive salt in the soil also have harmful effects on crop productivity. Biotechnologists are working to find genes that can enable crops to tolerate such extreme conditions. What are metals? Good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity because the electron in metal may easily travel about the transport of heat from one place to another. Write the period number and the group of number of the following element. Phosphorus, period 3rd, group 15th. Element aluminium, 3rd, 13th. Iron, 4th, 8th. Chlorine, 3rd and 17th group number. Define the term malleable. Malleable is a material which can be bent or hammered into desired shapes or shapes. For example, iron, silver, gold, and sodium. Ductile. Ductile is a material which can be pulled into wires. For example, iron, silver, gold, sodium, etc. Alloys. An alloy is a substance that combines more than one metal or mixes a metal with other non-metallic elements. For example, brass is an alloy of two metal, copper and zinc.